Hello everyone. From today I am starting new series of Java. In this series we are completing 100 questions of DSA in Java. So we are starting from very basic program which is print hello world. So first of all we need to understand what is meant by public class main. It nothing but it define a class named as main, and every Java program has contain at least one class. Next one is public static void main string bracket args. This is the main method. This is the entry point of every Java program. To print hello world, we use system.out.println. This print our code with next line on the screen. So here is the program. First we define a main class. After then we call main method, and uh, between the method we print system.println hello world and run that code, and here is our output. Thank you.